In previous lecture, we explored the commands which we need to work with hashes. Now in this one, we'll be exploring them in detail. So over here, you can see that I've created the Redis client, and then I have defined a key with this name, John Matthew. So all the details over here are for this user, John Matthew. Here you can see that we are making use of hset command, which sets a key value on the hash. So this is the key, John Matthew, and then key value. So age 35, then country United States of America, and then occupation is software engineer. And then finally we are setting a temporary key called delete, and here we say data will be deleted. Now using the get method, we are passing the key, which is John Matthew over here, and then we are passing the attribute age. So that will return the age that we have mentioned over here, 35, and then similarly, we are accessing country, which will return United States of America. And here you can see that we are making use of the del command to delete this data, which is associated with the delete key. Finally, we are incrementing the key age by 10, which will update it to 45 actually. And here we are making use of hset. Now this hset is used to mass assign several key values to a hash. So here we are assigning age, country, and occupation. And finally we are making use of hgetAll, passing the master key to return all the data associated with this particular key. So let's go ahead and check it out in browser. So here in our browser you can see the results are coming out. Let me take you step by step with the output over here. So initially over here in these first three lines, we are setting the key and their default values. Now, using the hget, there was a typo actually. It has to be hget, not get. So, using hget, we are retrieving the values, age and country, and we are printing them out. So, here we have age 35 and country, United States of America. Next, we are deleting the keys, delete and age. So, these two are deleted. And then again, we are going with the h increment by. So here in h increment by, you can see that initialized with 35 and then again used h increment by and provided 10 to it. So initial value was 35 and then 10 added to it makes it 45. After that we used hset to mass assign these three, age, country, and occupation, and that's what we are printing over here when we are saying hgetAll data. So that's the data we are getting. So this was an example of how to work with hash commands using Redis